May God bless you always.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Mary Joy Bautista. Ma'am, picture na. Ma'am, 1,000 yung naman niya. Thank you very much, ma'am. Next is, on my hand, galing daw po ito kay Ma'am Raquel Pasalo. Ayan, galing kay Ma'am Raquel. Ay, ninang mo siya. Okay, nasa abroad kasi siya. Next, we have Sir Peter Abawa. Feeling ko check eh. Mali. No? Kasal ko si Agit si Ella.
Abi, agad na tanong. Kaya na yung my stepbrother, Honorable Peter.
Yung message mo nga eh. Welcome address pa lang yun. Opening pa lang yun.
Paldo, eh.
Okay, thank you very much. Yung pera po. Ayun. Thank you very much, Sir Peter Agawa. Next to have, for our Indian Blue Bills, let's have Jocelyn Gutierrez. Jocelyn Gutierrez. Kulang na. Next we have Daniela Carriel Manansala.
Happy birthday to you, my beautiful Pamangkin. May you be happy on your birthday. Always remember to love and respect your parents. And I pray God grants you good health. Keep chasing your dreams so that your family, especially to your mom and dad, will always be proud of you. Love, Tita Kari.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Lingaw ka pa? Si Mami ano?
Our next partaker of the Asian Blue Bills, let's have Lovely Campoy.
Mami.
Ma'am Lovely Campoy.
Happiest ever birthday, Kenya. Sabi ko lang, dapat like yung makinig sa mami mo para hindi siya, alam mo na yun. Di ba sinabi niya, pinost nga niya kanina para hindi siya magdala ng dada. Kaya lagi mong pakinggan yung bilin ng papat mama mo. Happy birthday, God bless.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Lovely Campoy. Indeed, our parents knows best for us. So, kailangan natin makinig sa ating mga magulang. Next to Ma'am Lovely Campoy, we have Jose Montero.